welcome to Sarah's Stamping Retreat. Today we're going to be creating a cute little interactive card using this little watermelon, which is the free gift if you buy the Spellbinders Caboodle this month, which is all of their clubs all together for £120 if you buy it from the UK store, or $120 if you buy it from the US. So you get all 10 clubs for less than it costs for the 5 most expensive clubs, and you get this cute little free gift. But if you don't have this, but you have the Spellbinder small day of the month, then you could use that instead, because you could use one of the little critters. So there's this one and this little one here too, and they have the same mechanism on the back, so you could use those instead. So for this we need a circular piece of double-sided foam, and you could die cut this with a really small circle, or I'm just punching mine out. And it absolutely does not need to be this small. It can be any size as long as it fits within this hole and there's enough space for it to kind of move around it, so you don't want it too tight. So I've die cut all the pieces for my watermelon, so let's just glue those together. We've got kind of this little watermelon lolly as well. So I've just set that to one side for a second, and then I just want to create a stenciled background on my card front. So I'm going to use this Deco stencil pack from Concord and Ninth, and I'm going to use these Jade and Eucalyptus Fresh Dye Inks from Altenew, and I'm just going to add those through my stencil. And then I'm going to use Jade for this other part of the stencil. Then I'm going to heat emboss this Happy Birthday sentiment onto this scrap of black cardstock. I'm just going to heat emboss this in white embossing powder. So now I'm going to add some foam pads onto the back of my Happy Birthday. So then I want to add on these little dancing feet. So I'm going to just pop on this little circle that we die cut where I want my feet to go. So we want that to hang off there, so it needs to be kind of at the top of that bit. And then I'm going to add some foam pads to the back of my watermelon. I'm going to take this one off here. And then I think he looks quite cute at a bit of a jaunty angle. Then you can see those little legs kind of jiggle about from side to side, which is really cute. And then I can just pop little watermelon ice lolly in his head. So then I'm going to glue this onto my black piece. And then I'm going to add this onto my stenciled card. So then that just wiggles back and forth. It's really cute. So I really hope that you've enjoyed creating a fun, interactive card with me today. If you did, I'd appreciate you clicking like below, and you can also press subscribe if you'd like to see future videos. If you press the bell button and select all, then YouTube will also notify you when I've got a new video available. All of the products that I've used for today's card are listed in the description below, and there's also a link there to my blog where you can find a picture supply list if that helps you find what you're looking for. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope to see you again soon.